Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to see the daily weather in the Weather Channel application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you have done that, you should look down below and right next to the home page option you can see on the left side the daily option. Press on it. And here you can see the daily weather. In the top left corner you can see what is the weather tonight in the city that you have selected, and after that you can see the weather basically for the following days. So for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then it starts again. And if you scroll down a little bit you can also see other details here. Unfortunately the free version is a little bit limited, and if you want to have more details then you should go to the premium function and pay a little extra to see the details that are left out from here. So for the video this is all about it. I hope it was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.